In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in Hubspot. Whether you're creating a post for your audience or refining your brand's visuals, knowing how to edit images directly in Hubspot can save you time and keep your workflow seamless. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating HubSpot's tools to customize and enhance your social media images in just a few simple steps. If you're new to HubSpot, it's a powerful platform for managing your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts all in one place. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and explore all the tools HubSpot has to offer. Now, let's dive right in. To start, head over to HubSpot's website and log into your account. Keep in mind that the placement of the login option might vary slightly depending on updates or personalized settings. If you don't see it in the usual spot, don't worry, just take a moment to look around and you'll find it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top of the page and locate the Marketing tab in the navigation bar. Depending on your personalized settings or any recent updates in HubSpot, this tab might not always appear in the exact same place. If it's not immediately visible, simply take a moment to scan through the available options. When you find the Marketing tab, go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Social option. This will take you to the section where all your social media management tools are located. Next, look for the Create Social Post button and click on it. This is where you'll set up your post and start working on the visual elements. Now, within the post creation interface, you'll see an option labeled Insert Image. Click on that button to begin adding your image. Once you've clicked Insert Image, choose the Upload option to select an image from your device. Browse through your files, find the image you'd like to work with, and confirm your selection. Take a moment to ensure you're uploading the right image for your post. After your image has been successfully uploaded, you'll notice an Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click on Edit to access the available tools for enhancing your image. At this point, HubSpot gives you several tools to customize your image. You can adjust the brightness to make the colors pop or tweak the aspect ratio to better fit your post layout. You can also apply filters to create a specific mood or theme and even add text to emphasize your message. All these tools are designed to help you tailor the image to your brand's needs and make it more engaging for your audience. Take your time exploring these options and experiment with the edits until you're happy with how the image looks. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to save your edits. This step ensures that all your adjustments are applied and ready for use in your social media post. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit an image directly in HubSpot, making it easy to create visually appealing content that aligns with your brand. If you have any questions about this process, or if there are other HubSpot features you'd like to learn more about, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.